is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm in my room with the guinea pigs and my bed, all nice and clean from all the storage that my dad has been keeping on it. As you can see, I'm also wearing earbuds right now attached, because if I lift up this right in front of the camera, it's literally like right down there attached. I can't really show you guys that because I'm recording on this. Sorry about all the shakiness. So yesterday was the day we got back from Kyle. We left to go to Kyle for a whole night. We had s'mores on Saturday night, and then yesterday was when we got back. Today is Monday. Oh my god, we're going to the beach already. It's gonna take 4.5 hours, so I'm gonna pack up. So yeah. I'll see you guys when I get into the car. I'm gonna record when I get into there. I might even, no, I can't do that. I'm just gonna record when I get into the car. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna set up. Me and Ian are gonna watch some shows on my iPad, because I downloaded some stuff on Netflix that we could watch. We're gonna watch the cartoon Home. You guys should go check that out. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when we get to the beach in 3, 2, 1. Wait, no, not the 3, 2, 1 yet. I was gonna say, so since I'm gonna be packing, I'm gonna put in some sound effects, like a zipper, and then I will even I'm gonna do the zipper, and I will show a picture. I'm gonna go to pixel art, at least that's what I think it is. And I can draw a picture, and I'll put that there for maybe I would do a suitcase packing or something like that. I don't know. I'll see you guys then, and this is the final 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm done. Done packing. But we're not leaving now, but I am done packing, so yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I am, done, but yeah. Okay, that was a little awkward, my bad. I was setting my camera up right here, and I kind of saw a mosquito. Mosquitoes here. Hold on 1 second. Okay. I gotta go wash my hands. In the bathroom. Bunny, hi. Look at me in the camera right there. Hey. You can even see me back there. Yo, that's crazy. Oh, look at Ian from a long time ago when we were at the beach. Look at me and Ian. Oh, we were such cute babies. Okay, I gotta wash my hands. I'm just gonna rinse them. I just locked it. Why did I lock it? Also, my camera's wet, so hold on 1 second. With my iPad, guys. That was my dad. He has a job. Works at home, so he was on a phone call. Probably an important one. He always has important phone calls. Anyways, yeah. I'm gonna see you guys when we get into the car. So yeah. Alright guys, we are all done packing. Got the doggy bag, got my snacks, I got some of these, got my water, got my peanut butter crackers, and a math game. That's all I'm bringing. So yeah, we're gonna take the dogs and everything. Got the leashes already. Got basically everything. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when we get into the car, which is in 3, 2, 1. So I couldn't record it in the car because my mom was listening to a podcast. We got back at 10:44, and then now it is 12:06. No, 12:08. But yeah, I'm about to go to bed. I'm gonna watch a few videos before bed though. So yeah, good night everybody. So yeah, I'm at the beach by the way, guys. Me and you are sharing a room. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in 3, 2, 1. Good night. Good morning, guys. Just woke up. As you could see, as you just saw, I'm so comfy right now. Looks like Ian went downstairs. He already turned down the lights. Some of the lights. I'm gonna switch the camera around. In 3, 2, 1. I'm up. Camera. Just like my eyeballs. Nope, let me turn on the light. Is that better? Can I do a double turn? Wait. I have no idea. And it's a horrible idea, but I have to do it. It's like the only way to fix this. I need toilet paper to be able to clean my lens.
What do you mean?
Toilet paper.
Okay, we'll get some.
Can you give me some?
What? You can't.
I need toilet paper.
What? You can't figure out the doors and the toilet paper?
No, I can't. That was my mom. I got toilet paper. No, I need to go downstairs. Come on. Chloe. Hi. 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 Wait, I need water. Hi. Water. Lights. Lights. Me. That you cannot see for some reason. Oh my god, it's so blurry. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys in 3, 2, 1. It's better. Isn't it, right? I cleaned it with that. I grabbed it, put some water on it, and I went pop, 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 pop. Now you look nice. Now you see me nice. Now you see me nice. Finn. Living room. Chloe. Living room. Did you just eat your breakfast?
Oh, did they eat yet?
Dad. Dad. I'm gonna follow you everywhere with my camera now. Oh, big switch. What is something?
Cody.
Nope. She won't eat it.
Gross.
It's not that. Oh, there's a duck. One. Yeah. What? Ah. Oh, they're so good. Hi, I'm still recording.
They're eating now. They usually poop after they eat. I'll at least take them down. Still be able to look at his poops are usually not very.
You guys have poop bags for him then?
We're just gonna let them poop all over the place.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
What's for breakfast? No, I want to play that game.
Muffins.
Can we play that game?
I want to use my computer.
What?
Can I play it?
I might.
Can I?
I don't do it.
Can you guys find other stuff to do instead of hovering around long?
Okay. I need water. I need water.
Did you send some water?
Where's my glass? I need a glass. Oh. I'm gonna try to get one.
Ryan, do you need help? Or is it fish?
No.
Go ahead and grab that. It's right there. She got it. Oh my gosh.
I can do it if I want to. Camera already bad. It's a minute. Back. And I'm back. What time is it? It is 1:54 p.m. Look at me and Aunt's view up here. Isn't that beautiful? Oh. And guys, remember this video might accidentally be 15 minutes long in a day, but that is fine. I'm going to try to make it as short as possible for this day. So yeah, I'm going to see you. No, I'm not going to see you guys in a few minutes at all. I would never do that. But I will. Actually, I will. I got unpacked. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys in 2 minutes. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. It's the next day. I forgot to see you guys last night, but it is the next day. I ate breakfast. 9:27 in the morning, November 21st, Wednesday. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna make a video on each day. I'm about to go start another video. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys then in 3, 2, 1.